Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your affiliate earnings with SendOwl, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your affiliate earnings with SendOwl, start by creating a SendOwl account. Visit the SendOwl website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. Once your account is created, log in to your SendOwl dashboard. Navigate to the products section to add your affiliate products. Click on Add Product and choose the type of product you want to sell. Enter the product name, description, and upload any necessary files. Set a price for your product that reflects its value. Next, explore the Affiliate tab in your dashboard. Activate the affiliate program by enabling the option for affiliates. Set a commission rate that is appealing to potential affiliates. To add affiliates, navigate to the Manage Affiliates section. Input the email addresses of your affiliates and save the changes. Ensure each affiliate has their unique tracking link. Communicate instructions to your affiliates on how to promote your product. Check the settings for payment methods to ensure you can pay commissions. Settle on a schedule for commission payouts to maintain transparency. Utilize SendOwl's built-in analytics to track your affiliates' performance. Review the sales funnel and adjust marketing strategies as necessary. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to provide support and updates. Keep an eye on product security features provided by SendOwl. Consider adding payment protection options to safeguard transactions. Monitor your product sales to quickly identify any potential issues. With these steps, you can effectively protect your affiliate earnings using SendOwl. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.